Alright, we're continuing on to the next lesson 10 before our break, because hopefully after the break we'll give you guys time to check your test and study. Lesson 10, writing equations giving the slope and the y-intercept. So as I said before, the rest of the week you are going to be writing equations given certain elements. And today's lesson is the elements that you're going to be given are the slope and the y-intercept. This should be pretty easy to do. So our objective of this lesson, I can write an equation of a line given the slope and y-intercept. Pretty easy. Let's review our vocabulary real quick. Y-intercept, what is it? I'm going to cheat a little bit and paste it in. Y-intercept is the point where a line touches the y-axis. Go ahead and write that in on your notes. Slope. Slope is a measure of the steepness of a line. It describes the rate of change. You can write that down. Alright. Slope-intercept form is the form of the line where y equals mx plus b with the slope of m and the y-intercept of b. On your test, you're going to have to fill in. I'm going to be giving you the definitions just like before, and you have to write down the word for each one of these. Remember, there are 3 forms of a line, so when you have these questions, don't get it confused with other ones. Let me identify some key words for you in the vocabulary so that when you take your test, you can identify the right one. So, when you see form of a line in a definition, you know you have one of 3 answers: slope-intercept form, standard form, or point-slope form. But notice that this one has the y equals mx plus b. That's unique for slope-intercept form. And here's a very key word, y-intercept. This vocabulary word is the only one that has y-intercept form in it. Slope, hopefully you can remember that as steepness of a line. And y-intercept, make sure you see that it says y-axis, just in case one of the vocabulary words on your test is what is the x-intercept, and this is the point on the line where it touches the x-axis. So make sure you identify those key words in the definitions for your test. Okay, trivia, you can push pause until they're done copying those definitions if you need to. Focus question number 1. Write the slope-intercept form of an equation of a line given the slope and the y-intercept. So just like on the test, you will be just given the slope and the y-intercept, and you have to plug it in. Now on your test, I'm not going to go ahead and put the little y equals with a blank and x plus b. You need to know that that's the form of the line. So using the slope, that is the number that you will write in front of your x. Get my pen again. So the slope goes right there in front of x, and your y-intercept is the number that goes on the end. So this is just kind of like a fill-in. First, fill in your slope of 4/5. Zoom in here so that I can write it for you. 4/5. And our intercept is -1. I apologize, there's that plus sign there. You won't write the plus sign, you just change it to a -1. You should not have a plus minus in your equation of your line. So our final answer, the equation of the line, is y equals 4/5 x minus 1. You just run an equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Need another example? Let's look at the next question. Sorry, I lied. Apparently there was another example. But this is pretty easy. You just put your slope in front of your x and your intercept either added or subtracted after the x. We're going to do a little pairs practice with this. So I'd like for you to get with a partner. Each partner is going to write their name at the top of the page. Do a quick page check, please. Everybody know what page we're on? All right. One of you will write your name on the top for partner 1. The other one will do partner 2. There's 2 sides to this page. Partner 1 will do only the left-hand side of the page, writing your equations. Partner 2 will do, and partner 2 you'll only do the right-hand side. When you are done, you're going to check all your work. I take that back. No, you're going to do both sides. My bad. Alright, so you're going to do both sides, but I would like each partner to check each other's work. What you'll do is write your initials on the other person's paper saying that you agree that you have the same answers. Be ready and prepared to ask me questions tomorrow if there's any ones that do not check. If both of you disagree with the answers and you can't agree upon the correct answer, be prepared tomorrow to ask me questions about them and I'll demonstrate them on the board. Or you can check with other groups to make sure you have all the same answers. Please complete all of this page before you take your break today. Ms. Treva, you may dismiss them after they're done. They should be back in the room by 2:05.